Hi, Madam, Sir, good morning. I am Gemaline Borak. I am 28 years old. I am married and my husband is 28 years old. I have two children. I have four brothers and four sisters, and I was the sixth among them. I am not afraid of dogs and cats. I have experience in working abroad. I went in Saudi Arabia and worked there for 1 year and 3 months, and I worked in Singapore for 3 years. I can take care of babies and children. I don't have any experience in taking care of elderlies, but I am willing to learn. I can cook simple Chinese food like fried rice, steamed fish, sweet and sour pork. I am willing to work with other maids, and I don't mind if my employer will going to fix my holiday for me. I can sing a children's song like I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Hi, sir, madam. If I am so glad and thankful if you're going to choose me as your helper. And as a helper, I promise to do my job properly. Thank you.